In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack reminders. Slack reminders are a fantastic tool to help keep you on top of your tasks, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Whether you're a seasoned Slack user or new to this communication platform, understanding how to leverage this feature will enhance your productivity significantly. First, it's vital to ensure that you have Slack open and are logged into your workspace. Once you're ready to set a reminder, open the conversation or channel where you want to set it. This could be a direct message with a colleague or a team channel where your team communicates regularly. Now, to create a reminder, you'll need to use the / command feature in Slack. Simply type a / followed by the word remind. Now, before you proceed, it's essential to keep in mind that these commands help streamline actions in Slack, making it incredibly user-friendly when you know the right shortcuts. Next, you'll need to specify who you're setting the reminder for. You can choose to remind yourself, another person, or an entire channel. For instance, if you want the reminder only for yourself, you would type me right after the word remind. If for a specific person, just type their Slack handle, or if for an entire channel, simply type in the channel name. Now that you've set who the reminder is for, it's time to enter the message or task you want to be reminded about. This could be anything from an upcoming meeting, a deadline to submit a project, or even a reminder to check in with a colleague. Keep your message concise, yet clear enough so you know exactly what it pertains to when you receive the reminder. The last part of setting a reminder involves specifying when you want to be reminded. You have plenty of flexibility here. You can set it for a specific time on a specific day, or if it's a recurring task, use options like every week or every month. For examples, typing tomorrow at 10 a.m. or every Monday after your message will do the trick. Once you've completed typing, press enter. Slack will then confirm that your reminder has been set by displaying a message. Additionally, reminders you set are manageable. If needed, you can view all your upcoming reminders by typing remind list into any conversation. This command shows you what reminders are pending, giving you the option to delete or manage them as needed. To wrap things up, remember that reminders in Slack are perfect for staying organized, following up on tasks, and keeping the rhythm of your work efficient and effective. Now go ahead and give it a try. Happy slacking!